Hi! If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Julibe from the Philippines. Currently, I'm living and working in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I'm on a journey to explore the world one adventure at a time while figuring out this roller coaster ride called Life in My 30s. In today's episode of My Life, we will be diving into a uniquely Dutch tradition that's as colorful as it is iconic. We're here in the picturesque countryside of the Netherlands, where we will be exploring the fascinating world of traditional clog making. We're going to visit a local clog maker, and I'm pretty sure you will like him. He will going to show us the secrets behind these classic clogs, or KLOMPEN as they are known here. So, get ready to join me on this incredible journey through Dutch craftsmanship.
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower and it bloom like a shower you with love. You can keep the keys to your dreams. Say the magic word, you know I'm all yours. This love is a food of the boundaries. You took the words right out of my
Great. Alright, we're going to begin. Perfect. Alright. Welcome everyone. How are you doing? Great. Welcome. My name is Gabriel and I'm going to tell you today how we make our beautiful and amazing, you guessed it right everyone, gloves! Alright everyone, if you look on your left, we are using today our beautiful and amazing steam engine from 1913 from Germany. Why is this so special? Because this steam engine is the only steam engine in the whole world who's used for the clogs. So if you go to Germany, you can't find one because we stole it! Alright. We are going to begin, of course, with a beautiful block of food. You saw me cut it. It was really easy because of two things. Now, the first thing is we use a special type of food that's poplar root. Poplar root is a type of food that's very light and it absorbs water really quickly. So the second thing is we soak our root. Outside was a big bucket full of water, full of food. We soak our root for around a day or two, because then it's easy for us to cut and it's easy for machines. If I don't soak it, it can split. I can't make shoes. You'll be sad and I'm going to cry. Right. We are from France from 1906. We stole it too. Thank you. This machine is for the outside. This machine is for the inside. And we are going to begin, of course, with the outside. Really simple. We set the block of food in the middle, like this. Has to be in the middle, otherwise the shoe will come messed up. Perfect. We squeeze it and we secure it. You see? Yes, perfect. How it works is really simple. You see, the steam engine is on, but at half power. When I turn it on full power, there is a blade to spin really fast, and from this side it will follow the mold. Now the mold is the right shoe, but there is a catch. The machine will make a left shoe. Why? Because it will spin the opposite way, like a mirror reflection. You will see by yourself. Alright, blade is down. I will turn it on at full power. It will make a lot of noise. we have the beautiful outside of the shoe. Right, the outside of the shoe is actually not ready yet, but we need to move on to the next part, and that's the inside of the shoe. Same process, we set the outside of the shoe in the middle, like this. Perfect, we squeeze it down and we secure it. With this process, I'll use my hands more. You see, this handle is connected to this handle, and at the same time to this handle. This handle goes inside of the mold. The mold has a certain shape. This handle will follow this handle, and this is the blade to cut at the same time. So if I go left, right, up and down, it will follow exactly the same. With this handle, I can go up and down, and with this handle, I can adjust it the way I want it. And I want it low because I'm going to begin with the heel. Alright? Alright. And after a minute, the beautiful inside of the shoe. Not much better, much better. Alright, as I said, the outside was not ready because if you can see, it's flat from the front and flat from the back. And my shoe, let me pull my stunt again. Oh, the lamp almost broke. It's pointed from the front and smooth from the back. So we are going to cut it exactly the same. Sorry, exactly the same. For the front, I will cut it in a curvy way, so I have a beautiful point. You see, I don't want to make it too pointy, of course. Otherwise, if I kick someone's ass, it will hurt too much. Let me see. Alright. Almost done. The front of the shoe. Yeah, I know the E and the yes for me, not for the shoe. Alright, and now for the back. Now for the ladies, you can use them on your husbands. I swear to God, one time only use, you will listen the next time. You can throw it at someone you don't like. Alright, in a few seconds, you can go inside of the store and try the shoes out by yourself. Please don't forget, always one finger behind the heel. Otherwise, it's too tight. You can get a lot of feet pain, and then you can get a headache. You come to me, and you give me a headache. I don't want that. Alright, thank you very much for your attention. You can go this way. Thank you.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade, right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know.
Yes, welcome back everyone. Please don't forget to check out the shoes. We have also for the people more than clogs. Come on now. Come here. More expensive than wood, that's why we make extra food. So from afar, a lot of people think it's leather. Afar, look at the from afar, they look for leather.
Hi Jollies! That's the end of our tour and thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next vlog!
When the stars fall off the sky, I try to catch them. When the past fades on heart will recollect them. Every droplet of your time has my attention. Any worry on your mind, I can deflect them. Baby, tell me your dreams will manifest it. If you wanna run away, I will protect you.